I bought a DJI OSMO 360 last year, not too long after I acquired the Action 5 Pro. I use it all the time when filming my pursuits of bushwalking, packrafting, mountain bike riding, beekeeping and other pursuits. Therefore, I had already extra batteries, magnetic connections, various mounts, and the DJI Mini Mic2, which connects directly to both cameras. The Action 5 Pro replaced an aging GoPro 9, which is more prone to dreadful battery life, overheating and seizing up during important stages of filming. While I was a little hesitant about the Osmo 360 since I did not really like the distorted warped sphere-shaped effects that you can create with a 360 camera, I nevertheless was attracted to the potential of creating movement, additional and intentional zooming and panning while filming my pursuits of bushwalking, packrafting, mountain bike riding and beekeeping. I really love time lapses. In the past I used a gimbal with a motion tracker and even bought an intervalometer to film star trails at night. Not needed anymore with an Osmo 360. I can create more precise motion lapses and night lapses, which include pans and zoom in the effects. The sensor of an Osmo 360 is sensitive enough for excellent star trail scenes. On my recent packrafting expedition, I shot two very satisfying scenes of the Milky Way turning across the southern skies in idyllic and pollution-free conditions. In this video, we'll show a series of different moves, shots and edits that I've created using the Osmo 360 and the DJI Studio software. As well as that, I detailed some of the mounts and gear and tripod and bits and pieces that are used to complement my shooting of the DJI Osmo 360. All the technical stuff of showing how to do all this stuff you can research by other videos from YouTube. But I better see all of this, them coming in, going over there. Right, we've seen our first sand dune. How cool is this? Middle of nowhere.
Close your eyes. Hear the voice within calling. This heavy load got under your skin. Howling, you got the white knuckles holding on.
We've got about 3.5 k's to go before we reach the Palmer River. Still can't get over how badly burnt this place is. It looked beautiful before only about a year ago. The camera's coming with me. To either the new hive where their queen is, or just bed down with one of these other ones. Hopefully someone has too many bees. Not a lot. So far.
Make this one count. Untied. You're so good at dragging yourself down. Why? Well, there ain't much time left to figure things out. Deep underneath all the laser, your downs. There's a heart gone out of rhythm in despair. Hell underwater, fine for it. Breathe in, breathe out. Hey, come alive. Breathe in, breathe out. Look at the colors, colors, colors around.
Bees that you can still see here.
You got the white knuckles holding on it tight, keeping your feelings bottled up inside, heading for collision in the night. To really live, you gotta die.
On my longer trips where weight is an issue, I purchased a tripod that can splay its legs to get more stability. As well as that, I can put the extension selfie stick onto that as well to get up to about 1.5 meters. Together this is a really good kit for my longer extended bushwalks where weight is an issue. I really like the DJI Tech gear that's helped me use the Osmo 360. There's a common connector that goes into a whole range of mounts, tripods and other PGYT accessories. It clips into the handlebar. There's a little button on the connector that you can take that off and put it onto your next item, which is in this case a tripod. It also extends, which is really useful. If you wanted to change over to another item, you press a button and attach it to whatever you need. In this case, the neck mount, which is really useful. It goes around the neck like this, you attach it and then put your Osmo 360 or your Action Pro onto it.
This video represents my experiences and fun
for your
I've had
mountain bike.
using this great bit of kit.
Then you can mount it onto your little tripod for any static shots. The tripod can be adjusted for height and also has got a ball point to adjust the desired direction.